Okay, so this is the goldfish problem from the yellow belt packet of Discipline 2 ratios. And so I'm going to do this part right here. So it says make ratio tables comparing the cost and ounces for each of the 3 goldfish products. So that's the, up here, the bag of goldfish, the box of goldfish, and the big box of goldfish. Move that back up. Alright, so I'm going to call this one the bag, this one the box, and this one the big box. Okay, so we're comparing these 3. Alright, I'll finish reading this sentence now. For each of the 3 goldfish products, bag, box, big box, in each ratio table, find various cost-ounce relationships. Try to compare the 3 products based on the same amount of ounces or the same price. So the cost-ounce relationship is basically, well, $2 you get 6 ounces, for $5 you get 9 ounces, and for $7 you get 30 ounces. So those are the relationships, that for this amount you get this much. That's all it means by cost ounce relationship. So for the bag, I'm just going to write down the originals from the table up at the top. So for the bag, you get, the cost is $2 and for 6 ounces. And for the box, it's $5 for 9 ounces. And for the big box, it's $7 for 30 ounces. Alright, so what it says is to compare the products using the same amount of ounces or the same price. So right here, we can't really compare them because the dollars are all different and the ounces are all different. So if you got, if you kind of can figure out, okay, this is definitely the best deal because it's only $2 more and you're getting way more ounces, then yeah, that's good. But we want to be a little more exact. So we can figure out a same dollar amount or a same ounce amount. And I am going to find out the same dollar amount because I think that will be easier. So I could find a number that these all go into so that I could just multiply. So let's see, I'm going to pull it up a little bit. I'm going to do 2 times 5 times 7. 2 times 5 is 10, so 70. So I'm going to find out how much I get for $70 so I can really compare. I don't know if I'd ever spend $70 on goldfish. Probably not. That's crazy. Okay, so now I have to figure out how did 2 become 70. So when we're doing ratios, we're dealing with multiplication and division. Adding and subtracting don't play too much of a part in ratios and proportions. So 2 times 35 is 70, so then I would have to multiply 6 times 35. So 35 times 6, 6 times 5 is 30, carry the 3, 6 times 3 is 18, 19, 21, 210 ounces. Okay, now this one, 5 times what equals 70? I think it's 14, but I'm not sure, so I'm just going to do the division. 70 divided by what equals 5? 5, 1, 5, 2, oh, I was right. 14. So 5 times 14 equals 70. That means I have to do 9 times 14. 9 times 14. 126. Ooh, what? Seriously? All right. That seems like it should be a better deal than the bag. So maybe, I wonder if I did my math wrong. I hope not. Alright. Times 35, times 35, and then times 14. Yeah, no, I guess not. And then 7 times 10. Oh, yay, this one's easy. And 30 times 10. So 300 ounces. Alright, so now we have, for $70, we have all the ounces. So the best deal is the big box, but then you have a lot of goldfish, so maybe you don't want that many goldfish. Anyway, now you have a very solid, for $70, what's the best deal? That's the best deal, second best deal, third best deal. Now, if you notice, I didn't fill in the rest of the ratio table, and a lot of you are asking if you have to fill in the whole thing. You don't. You just really have to figure out how to compare them. So I just did one, and that's all I wanted to do. So that's it for that video.